In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map a route on Google Maps. Whether you're planning a quick errand or a longer trip, this walkthrough will make sure you can create a clear route in just a few moments, with helpful tips to avoid common frustrations. First, open Google Maps on your computer at google.com/maps or in the Google Maps app on your phone. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to sign into your Google account. Being signed in lets you sync recent searches, access saved places, and keep your route handy across devices. If you're on a phone, allowing location access helps Maps pinpoint your position so the route is more accurate. Next, look for the directions option. On desktop, it's the blue button in the left panel, often marked with a diamond-shaped arrow icon. On mobile, you'll see a similar directions button prominently on the main screen. When you open directions, you will also notice travel mode options like driving, walking, transit, or cycling. Pick the one that fits your trip so the route and timing are tailored to you. Now enter your starting point. You can type an exact address, a place name, or simply choose your current location if you're leaving from where you are. As you type, Google Maps suggests matches, pick the correct one, and double check the city or neighborhood to avoid mix-ups with similarly named streets. If your starting spot doesn't have a clear address, dropping a pin near the right place works well on both desktop and mobile. Then enter your destination in the box below. Again, you can paste an address, search for a business or landmark, or select a suggested place from the list. Precise destinations, like a building number or a specific venue, usually produce the cleanest route and more reliable travel times. Once you've set both points, the map will automatically draw a route. The main path appears in blue and alternate options may show in grey. You can compare estimated times, distances, and any notes about tolls or heavy traffic. If you're on desktop, you can often click and drag the route to explore a slightly different path, which is handy for avoiding a road you don't want to take. Keep an eye on the travel mode, the departure time, and live traffic indicators. Small adjustments can make a big difference in accuracy. If you accidentally flipped your start and end, use the swap button to fix it instantly. That's it, your route is mapped and ready to use, with clear step-by-step guidance and a few pro tips to keep things smooth.